2000 is a testimony to human civilization and serves as a milestone in creating a better world. By means of love of the world, a declaration of peace, we express the aspirations of all humanity, praying for the well-being of all peoples in a new century. We wish to sound the bell of peace to awaken mankind's good intentions, through which we will strive for a glorious future together. It is believed that only a sincere heart can touch the depths of one's soul. Therefore, we truly hope that those of all ages, different beliefs and races, both rich and poor, have a genuine, cheerful, and peace-loving heart. As a result, they will show respect and love for their families, others, their countries, and the world through their actions. And we are looking forward to returning to a harmonious world in which there is no suffering, no fear, no war, and no pain. We anticipate that the spirit of love and peace will spread across the world, turning evil into good and stopping war. Creating a better tomorrow with wisdom will prevent human tragedies from happening again, and will bring progress and prosperity to all countries. If all peoples respect and learn from one another open-mindedly, conflicts will be transformed into long-lasting peace. Our love will keep the water clean and the environment beautiful forever. This way, our offspring will enjoy a pleasant, harmonious, and affluent world.
Clergyman understands this and understands that our conduct must mirror our words, must match our sentiments. Otherwise, however noble the words may be, the result will be quite inadequate. If we desire peace, we must act peace. If we wish for harmony, we must learn how to live in harmony with one another.
A bell is not a bell until you ring it. A song is not a song until you sing it. With the ringing of this bell, it is my wish, the wish of all free people, that international peace, security, and development will result from the ringing of this bell here today.
My wish is that we will achieve peace through winning the war against poverty, through expanding democracy, and through reaching out to each other. In Africa, we call it Ubuntu.
World peace is the dream of all humankind, and the bell of world peace and love connects heads of state and leaders from countries all over the world. Motivated by selfless love, visionary leaders ring the bell, allowing the sounds of peace and safety to resonate across the planet, keeping the world away from sorrow, fear, war, and pain.